Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set Snapchat My Eyes Only password. So first we have to launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device. On the camera section beside it, there's an icon. You have to simply tap on the bottom left corner like this. And here we could see on the top there's a home, camera, roll, stories, and we have to simply slide a bit over here and we could see my eyes only option. So select that. And here we could see set up my eyes only. So simply tap on the set up and you can create a passcode over here. So you can choose what you want. Just like this I created it, and you have to confirm passcode. So in order to do that, you have to re-enter your passcode again. And we have to tap on the small circle option right here, and after that you'll be able to continue and set Snapchat My Eyes Only password. So tap on that option. And after the setup is complete, you have to tap on the finish. So this is it guys, this is how to set Snapchat My Eyes Only password. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.
Thank you guys.